Legal tech platforms versus traditional law firms. Which one is better for SMEs? Most small business owners get this wrong by assuming traditional law firms are always the only option, but the surprising truth is that legal tech platforms are reshaping how SMEs access affordable and efficient legal support. Legal tech platforms use automation and online workflows to handle routine legal tasks such as contract drafting, compliance checks, employment documentation, and intellectual property filings. They are fast, cost-effective, and often subscription-based, making them ideal for businesses that need regular, predictable legal services without hiring full-time counsel. For example, a startup can generate NDAs, employment contracts, or GEVR compliant policies in minutes, saving significant time and expense. Traditional law firms, on the other hand, provide personalized advice, complex contract negotiation, and representation in litigation or regulatory matters. They are essential for complex deals, disputes, or strategic legal guidance. If your business is entering international contracts, facing regulatory scrutiny, or negotiating a merger, traditional law firms bring the expertise and human judgment that automated platforms cannot replicate. So, which is better? Legal tech platforms are perfect for routine, high-volume, and cost-sensitive legal work. Traditional law firms are indispensable for complex, high-stakes, or nuanced legal matters. Many SMEs combine both. Platforms handle day-to-day tasks, while law firms tackle strategic and high-risk issues. The key takeaway is that SMEs don't have to choose one over the other. Using legal tech for efficiency and law firms for expertise creates a balanced, cost-effective approach that ensures compliance, reduces risk, and provides strategic support when it matters most. The surprising truth is that blending both options often delivers the best results for modern businesses.